Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show how to change TikTok region or location. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my TikTok settings and here is no option to change location. As you can see, here's no option. You can't change your location or region from this TikTok application. So all we have to do to change the region or location, we just need to install a VPN from our Play Store. So open your Play Store on your Android device and after that search here VPN, and here you will get several VPN. You can download any of them. So right now I'm going to download Super VPN and now click on install, and after installation you have to open that VPN, continue, and now click on continue and you have to connect your VPN. And here we can see my VPN is connected now, and now if I open my TikTok, and my region and location will be changed. So using VPN we can change our TikTok region or location easily. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.